Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you guys today about this property inspection app. It's called Click Inspect. It's paperless, efficient, cloud-based and fully customizable. So I'm just going to run through with you guys how to use it. So this is what it looks like on the App Store. Just click -inspect. Alright, so while the app is downloaded, you'll need to sign up on the website. I'll put it on the screen for you, but it is in the description below. So this is the website. Scroll down and check it out. Find the free trial or 14-day trial button. It will open up a sign up page for you. So go ahead and fill it all out. This page has all the information you need, so give it a read. Fill out all the blanks. I'm just going to fill it out with my information. Once you've done that, just tap the I agree with the terms and conditions. And as you can see, I already have an account, but once you've made an account, it'll give you an email, and then you can go back on the app and log in. So over here, you're just going to log in with what you signed up with on the web page. And once you've logged in, it'll bring you to a home page where you can see that there is upcoming inspections and there's upcoming tasks, which I will show you how to do later. Go ahead and press that plus button and type an address. This is powered by Google, so all addresses work all around the world. Put in the property type and the date inspection. You can always come back and change the time and date and the day. Tenant name and tenant email address. I'm just going to put in my one, and you put in the tenant type, which is, I'm just going to put it ongoing, and then you will see that an email will pop up to show that I have created an inspection. So that email goes out to your tenant to show that you have scheduled an inspection. Can you see the pop-up from Gmail? So that's that. That's done. You will go back to the home page and drop down the upcoming inspections, and you can see that there's the inspection that we created, and it's now on your home page. Click on the inspection that we created and start inspection. Go ahead and tap the plus button for all the rooms that you need to inspect in that property. Once you've done that, click start inspection at the bottom. Start inspection. When you click on the entry, you can see that there's walls, ceilings. You can go ahead and tap good, satisfactory, or poor. You can take a photo, upload it. You can add a comment towards the wall. I'm just gonna write down it's perfect. When you scroll down, you can see there's other parts of the entry room that's there. You can add more comments and so on. From here, it's just about the same things. I'm just going to go over it a bit more in depth, but I'm just going to fast forward it because it's basically the same thing that I just showed you before. So along with any of the inspections you want to do, you can add in your own assets. To the exterior page, I'm going to add in driveway. It'll add to my list of inspections, so this is available for you to customize any way you'd like. So over here you can take a video inspection. I'm just going to show you quickly, and it'll save to your inspection list. Over here you can put in signature from customer, which is your tenant, and the company, which would be me, and then you'll save it. Once it's saved, you can go complete. Upload it to iCloud. So once you've uploaded it, it'll go into uploaded, and then from uploaded you can do PDF. You can open it, So you can view or send to tenant. I'm just going to view it. So that is our inspection, and obviously this is from a different screen recording, but you would see the photos and entry. So entry photos and all your comments will be down there. And at the bottom it'll have the signature, and then you can go back and PDF again, and then you can email it to tenant, send it through, and you'll, as a tenant, you'll just get the same report that I just showed you up above on email. So that's about it. So this is our web portal, and I'm just going to go on to click inspect homepage. Once you're on the homepage for click inspect, just go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, this is your web portal, so whatever you've done on the app will automatically sync on your web portal, and from this you can save anything you want to your desktop. You can also schedule your appointments on here as well. So it's basically the same thing that you just did on the app, it's just on the desktop. Go ahead and fill all that in to create a new schedule, a new appointment. When you go back, you can see the reports, and you can also view the reports online. So when you go open a document, it'll show the report that I showed you on the app just before. When you go back, you can see your dashboard and all your tasks. You can save it to your desktop anywhere you'd like, and you just log out when you're done.